In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini in GitHub Copilot to build a website fast. We'll go through the full process, boss, in a simple and practical way so you can get from a blank editor to a working website in just a few minutes. This is a great workflow if you want to speed up prototyping, generate starter code quickly, and let AI help with the first version of your site. To begin, open your code editor and make sure the GitHub Copilot extension is already installed and active. This part matters because Copilot needs to be running properly before you can access its chat features and model options. If the extension is enabled, you're ready to move on. Next, open the Settings menu in your editor and navigate to the area where artificial intelligence models can be selected. Depending on your editor version, this section may be labeled slightly differently, but the goal is the same. You want to find the place where you choose which AI model powers your coding assistant. Once you're there, select Google Gemini as your preferred model. This tells GitHub Copilot to use Gemini for your requests, which is especially useful if you want to compare results or prefer the way Gemini generates code and structures content. After that, create a new project folder for your website and open a blank file for your main HTML document. Starting with a clean project folder helps keep everything organized, especially once you begin adding styling and other assets. Your HTML file will act as the foundation of the website. Now open the GitHub Copilot chat panel and type a prompt describing the website you want to build. Be clear about the kind of layout, sections, or style you want, and mention that you are using Google Gemini for the generation. A more specific prompt usually leads to more usable output, so include enough detail to guide the result. When Gemini generates the code in the chat window, take a moment to review it before adding it to your file. This is a good habit because it helps you catch anything incomplete or unnecessary. Then click the Insert or Copy option and place that code into your HTML file. Next, prompt the assistant again to generate a matching CSS file for the styling, including the layout and colors. This keeps your project cleaner and makes it easier to adjust the design later without changing the HTML structure. Finally, save both files and open the HTML file in your web browser to test the website.